get you ready for the handout I'm about to get you. Copy these into your notebook, add these to your notes. You're going to be turning these in with all your notes at the end of the third quarter. So again, copy these problems into your notebook underneath the notes we just took, and then when you're done with these, show me and I'll give you the handout that's going to have you try these problems out. So here we go. This first one here. Alright, so again, back to this problem right here. Remember, if I give you 65 degrees right here, you need to know that the angle above it is also equal to 65. So using that math, the angle above that, again, remember that opening is the same as that. They're congruent. These two are going to be equal. So right away, you know that angle B is going to be that 65 degrees. So you could put that right away. If this is 65, the one above it is 65. And then all I need to do is subtract that 65 away from 180 to find that last angle right there. So if I do 180 minus 65, that will give me what that remaining angle would have to be. That would be 115 degrees. So again, if I give you this angle down here, know the angle directly above it is the same. They're congruent. And then using that to subtract from 180 will give you the other angle in that supplementary pair. Alright, for these, again, I want you to notice all the different combinations of these angles that we have right here. So they're asking B and G, are they congruent? I'm asking you for A and C, are they vertical? And now I'm asking you B and E. And again, make sure you're writing all of this into your notebook. Alright, so what I'm asking you is to read what this is saying and see which of my angles are true, making true statements here. So my first thing says, angle B and G, are they congruent? And I need you to see that these openings are indeed the same. So that would be a true statement. B and G are congruent. So that would be true. They're equal. Yes. My next question is A and C, are they vertical? And that one is false. Even though A and C are the same, they're congruent, it doesn't mean that they're vertical to each other. So that is false. The only angle vertical to A would be F. F is congruent and vertical to A. But again, A and C are equal and congruent just like B and G were, but they're not vertical, so don't pick that one. And then the third one, B and E, are they congruent? And I'm going to say yes, they are congruent, but I'm asking you, are these vertical? Or again, I kind of made a mistake here, but this is true. These are congruent, but they're also vertical, so this is kind of misleading right here. That is a true statement. Yes, they are congruent. So I would have circled that one right there. But they're not vertical though. Alright, B and C. These two angles inside add up to be 180. You can see that's the big pair, that's the little pair. And then the last thing I'm having you do is A and H. And again, A and H, those are vertical. They're equal. I'm sorry, they're not vertical, they're congruent. And congruent angles don't add up to give you 180. Alright, so once you're done with this, give me the 3 magic words. Liverpool beat Manchester City, and then I'll give you the handout. Good luck.